Hello, my people of the internet. In today's video, I will be telling you guys 5 ways that you can connect with your YouTube audience and just have a lot of fun. Now, in my opinion, it's so important and so crucial that you make a connection with your audience. So we're gonna talk about that right now. The first thing that you should probably do is have some sort of catchphrase or something that captures people's attention within the first 5 seconds, whatever that is. You really just gotta experiment and figure out what works for you. But a lot of times mine have just kind of come naturally. Like, hello, my people of the internet. Like, I've just been saying my people of the internet for a while, so it's kind of natural. And you want to be natural on camera, so try to have your catchphrase something you would naturally say anyways. And why don't I say natural one more time? Natural. For example, it'd be like anything you'd watch on any TV show, really. Like even The Big Bang Theory when Sheldon says bazinga. Like, people like that because it's like, it's consistent and like, it's his personality and his persona. So you really got to do the same thing for yourself if you really want to connect with your audience a little bit more. And the number 2 thing you can do is look directly at your camera lens. I know I had a problem when I was first starting out, always looking over here instead of here. But you gotta look at the camera because the camera is actually you on the other side, and it's actually a person watching on this other side, and you gotta remember that, and you gotta treat that camera as if it was a person. Aside from when you're posting videos, because you don't need to like, I'm gonna take my camera for a walk. Like, no, you don't need to do that. But I mean, it's just like in real life. Making eye contact is so important when having a conversation with a person. So it's just as important when having a conversation with a camera, which in reality is an audience, which is in reality people. And honestly, it just makes people on the other side feel like they're important. And I want to feel important, and I know you do too. So you might as well try doing that. And that goes on to number 3. Talk to the camera as if it is a person or many people. Like you're about to give the best motivational speech in your life or something, and that you want to be so engaging to keep people engaged and connected, and you just gotta be on point, and you just gotta be in the frickin' zone, okay? I mean, you could pretend like you're talking to your parents, you're talking to one of your best friends, somebody that you're really connected with, or just pretend like that camera is the sexiest camera you've ever seen. And that is one way to connect with people. Like, you really don't want to talk to the camera like you're just a guy in a room by yourself, talking to yourself, because that's actually what you're doing. You want to make them feel like that's not what you're doing. And you're talking to an audience. Remember, you're talking to an audience. You're talking to yourself right now. But once that video goes up, you're talking to an audience. And that is amazing. And the 4th thing you could do to connect more with your YouTube audience is start conversations in the comments section and be really engaging. Don't just be like, if they're like, I really love your video, blah, 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 and you're just like, thanks. Like, don't respond with just one word. Try to respond with more. Try to keep something going. Try to build that relationship that you got going, you know. It's just like developing a friendship. You know what I'm saying, guys? You know what I'm saying? I see you there. I see you there looking at me. I'm connecting with you. I'm connecting with you. I feel those vibes. I feel those vibes. Yes. Yes, I do. And the 5th thing you can do to connect more with your audience is actually open up some time. Don't always make videos where you're not showing all your sides of your personality. You gotta show all those sides, and people will really appreciate it. Don't just be a one-dimensional like robot or something that doesn't express their feelings, express how they're doing, and just really be 100% authentic. Because you can, and there's people that'll find it entertaining. You might not think it's entertaining, but there's people out there that will, okay? Okay. And like, if you show some trust to open up to the world and show your personality out there, people will trust you more in return also. Hey, but that's just my opinion. I really want to hear what you guys say in the comment section below. Let's start a conversation and all that good stuff. And if you got some value out of this video, be sure to leave a big like, because it really makes my day. And until next time, Peace out, hashtag YouTuber.